Hello and welcome to this presentation about Google Slides. So this is a presentation tool that you can use. For example, if you don't have PowerPoint from Office, this is free and it's easy to use. First, you can just Google Slides or Google Presentationer in English. And then you click Öppna presentation, Google Presentationer. And then you click Tom. So first you name it. So you click here and you can, for example, write the USA. And then you click enter. Then you write the first slide, the USA. And when you want a new slide, you put the marker on the first one and then you click enter. And you can do that many times to get more slides. And for example, you want to write San Francisco, and we want a nice picture to that. Then you go to a new page and we Google San Francisco, click on pictures below and do a right click and copy, and then you go back to the presentation and you click Ctrl V to paste it in, and then you can change the size of the picture like that. Remember to not write many words, so more like keywords and not big long sentences. And remember to be logged in. If you're not logged in, then Google will ask you and you have to log in with your Gmail. Good luck.